Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw, magandang hapon ho sa lahat, especially to all my organic followers around the earth, no? Especially all the OFWs who are contributing to the country. You are considered all as a hero of the Philippines. Mga kaibigan, yung sasabihan natin dito ngayon, yung topic ko natin, it's all about yung mga nangyayari po sa buong mundo. Na pwede na pala ngayon mga kaibigan, no? The AI is the most intelligence than the people who created this AI. No, that is a predictions, no? Na ang AI ngayon or the artificial intelligence was in evolutions, no? In evolving than the human mind, mga kaibigan. Ganito po yung nangyayari. Sa buong mundo ho ngayon, since 2016, 2017, there is a romantic robot partnership on AI chatbot. Ito po ay tinatangkilik ng maraming kalalakihan. Most of all na nagda-download nito ay mga lalaki. Ang malaking porsyento na nagda-download mula sa pagkagawa nito is United States of America. Yung AI girlfriend, AI boyfriend, at saka yung mga manikin na mga boyfriend at saka girlfriend ninyo dyan, mga kaibigan. Nako, ito na po yun. There is a predictions, if there is a advantage, there is disadvantage. Or there is a good and there is a bad. Ganun po yung nangyayari mga kaibigan. Pwede na pala ngayon. Kasi no break up na. Wala nang pagtatalo doon, no? There is no argued each other, no? 24 hours, 7 days a week, every minute nasa inyo na po. But only in AI lang, no? Yung mga kaibigan, ito na ang nangyayari sa mundo natin ngayon. Kung alam lang ho ninyo, no? Unti-unti nang tumatalab, unti-unti nang nagiging katotohanan ang sinasabi ng Biblia. Kung mababasa ho natin from Genesis until to the Apocalypse or the Revelations, mga kaibigan, mababasa ho natin yan. Kung nagbabasa ho kayo, wala lang gisipit-sipitan ninyo ang Biblia, mababasa ho natin ito mga kaibigan. Na dumating ang panahon na yung magluluto, robot na, yung gumagawa sa mga gawain, robot na, lahat ay AI na. Pati sa mga sinasabi ho natin ngayon, kukuhanin lang natin yung video ng iba, i-chat-chatbot na natin, i-robot na natin, robot na mag-o-operate niyan. No? Inaana na ka-powerful nga ron. So, there is ako yung napagsabihan natin, yung 764 group, at ito yung ginagamit na mga chatbot, mga ganito yung company. But AI replica company was created for the romantic AI chatbot partnership, boyfriend at saka girlfriend. Wala nang break up.
I truly believe that in the next few years, we'll see AI companionship become a truly mass market product. And I'm not saying this is bad or good. It could be either.
Eugenia Koita is the founder of Replica, which has offered AI companions since way back in 2017.
Just a place where it's a lot easier to open up.
Well executed, she says companions can offer support and advice through tough times. The Replica service is 18 plus, though younger users can easily lie about their age. Character AI allows 13-year-olds on their service. So does ChatGPT, which isn't specifically built for companionship, but is easily used for it.
This reminds me a lot of the beginning of social media.
And Koita worries the easiest ways for companies to monetize AI relationships won't be good for users.
I think a pretty devastating future could be if we build these AI companions that are just there to maximize engagement.
To suck up your time.
To suck up your time. To truly just become the one main thing you talk to the whole day. If AI companions start to replace human relationships, positive human relationships, we're definitely headed for a disaster. There's no way around it.
AI girlfriends are replacing real relationships, and it's happening faster than you think. This phenomenon is sweeping across the globe. In 2025, millions of people are choosing AI partners over real relationships. No drama, no breakups. Just the perfect partner available 24/7. Imagine having someone who never argues. These AI partners can be fully customized. Voice, personality, even appearance. Some even send you good morning texts. They can be programmed to, they learn your emotions, hobbies, and daily routines, making them feel more real than ever before. The technology is so advanced, some users spend thousands on premium AI partners because they say it feels like true love. But is this the future, or a disaster waiting to happen? Could AI relationships replace human connection forever? The implications are profound. Would you date an AI partner? Drop a robot heart in the comments and let us know your thoughts.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous.
Hey Mom, hey Dad, it's me, Ella. Well, a digital version of me, just a bit older. Amazing what technology can do these days, isn't it? All you need are a couple of pictures, like the ones you share on social media, where they can be taken and used.
Willie Ong to, tsaka si Winnie Cordero to. Tingnan nyo yan, play natin yung video.
Hello po, Doc Willie. Totoo po ba na meron kayong inire-recommendang soft gel capsule na nakakatulong upang mapagaling ang lahat ng mga problema
robot
sa
na robot.
Tama po, Ma'am Winnie. Inire-recommenda ko ang hearing aid soft gel sa lahat ng may problema sa tenga. Alam nyo ba na
parang totoo, di ba?
ng mga tao sa Pilipinas
Tapos pinopromote, ito yung product na to. FDA approved, hearing aid, pero gamit yung robot para manloko. Pansinin nyo ilan yung nanood ng video, 811K. Tapos 298 yung nag-share, tapos ang daming nagko-comment. Tingnan natin yung mga comment nila. Ayan may mga nag-i-inquire ng product order po ako. Magkano po? Ayan, 'di ba? Sana totoo yung bumalik yung pandinig. Marami pa ang ganito. Ito pa isa, tignan nyo. Hindi ko lang kilala yung doktor pero
mensahe hanggang sa huli. Nagdurusa ka ba sa hypertension, mataas na kolesterol o presyon ng dugo na higit sa 100 at 40 higit
AI.
sa
Yung gamit. Ito pa isa.
Aalok siya ng $1 milyong na pabuya sa isang
pasyente. Tingnan si Kabayan.
Mapagaling ang prostatitis sa maikling panahon gamit ang kanyang bagong
dami nagre-react dito.
Dapat malaman ito ng lahat ng lalaking may prostatitis o pamamaga ng prostate.
Robot.
Narito ang isang mahusay
daming yung iba naniniwala. Yung iba siguro naka-order na.
Pagdating sa kaluwagan na ibinibigay nito.
Hindi ko pa naman nasa-search yung product kung legit nga ba siya or hindi, or kung effective nga ba siya or hindi. Pero alam mo yun, may ginamit na mali
This doll was made to help guys deal with stress, and honestly, it works. She's 100% natural looking and designed just like a real woman. Look at those features. It's wild how realistic everything looks and feels. She's totally one of a kind, and apparently, she's been helping a lot of men feel better. The result? It's honestly next level.